Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Confidant Tarot. And today we will be doing the pick a pile reading for the upcoming week, which is from January 18th to January 24th. And as you can see, I have placed three beautiful colored buttons in front of you. The orange button will be pile number 1. The green button is pile number 2 and the red button is pile number 3. So you can, based on your intuition, you may either choose the pile that you're drawn towards or the color that you're drawn towards, or else you can make the chits numbered 1, 2 and 3, and then you can pick any one chit and that numbered pile you can look up. Also, I will be placing the timestamps, so it is easier for you to go to the pile directly and read your or go through your readings for the upcoming week. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, so I will be coming up with weekly readings for you all. Thank you, and let's go ahead. Hello, group number 1. So all those who chose this beautiful orange colored button, here's your reading. I'll place the button over here. It's actually a magnet. Okay, so we'll start with your tarot cards, and as usual I'll be doing your reading on the general reading with the tarot cards, and then we'll do your reading for love life, career and health, and also check what is the crystal message for you. So as I was shuffling the cards, I see that you people are full of energy because the cards were just jumping out. And yeah, from the tarot deck I have the Hermit, then I have 3 of Pentacles, and I have the King of Cups. Okay, I see that there is some conflict going on between yourself or within your mind. There is some kind of tension or stress within yourself. So the guidance that I'm getting here is any answers that you're looking for is within yourself, and do listen to your inner voice. And in case you feel lost, you can either consult or you can either consult a guide or a counselor. And I also feel like some of you all might be enrolling for new courses in the upcoming weeks, but by the end of the week you will learn to bring balance in your thoughts and reality. Okay. And yeah, you need to communicate your feelings. Don't suppress your feelings, because suppressing your feelings is creating a lot of irritation within yourself. So learn to express yourself. Yeah. Okay, now let's move on to the next card. We'll see what is kept in your is the name? Love life. Okay, sorry. Yeah, from the Angel Answers card regarding your love life, I have the Success card. So I feel like you need to surrender your love life to God, Goddess, and you need to enjoy the peace and harmony in your love life. Also, you are receiving the blessings. So you can see the card, right? The blessings are coming your way. You're receiving the blessings from the universe, and all your prayers about your marriage and or love life is being answered. Do not worry about anything, because as I said, your prayers are being answered. Instead of worrying, just render gratitude, have the attitude of gratitude, and things will start falling in place and you'll start noticing it sooner. Okay, now let's move to your career card. From the angel guidance deck, I have the wedding card. So yeah, you might be wondering how come the wedding card is coming for a career. So I feel that the card is telling me that there will be some kind of peaceful resolution or teamwork if you're working in a corporate, and some might even enter into a trustworthy partnership if you're planning for a business, and even new projects or new business opportunities, new jobs might be coming your way, which will bring a lot of prosperity and money for you in the future. Okay, so moving to your health card, I have from the Archangel Raphael healing deck, have faith. Yeah. So I feel like you are being protected by Jesus Christ, and your health is going to improve miraculously. You need to have trust, like if you're consulting any doctor or you are under medication, if you are consulting any doctor or you are under any medication, then trust in the words of the healer and do take your medicines on time. And apart from that, I also see that you will be reminded to take good care of your health. That's pretty good. And from the crystal messages, I have the citrine. Okay, so this is a crystal for prosperity, and if you see the other cards, they were also showing that there is growth even in your love life and in your career. Health wise also there is good improvements seen. So even the crystal message is telling you the same thing, that there is going to be, you are going to be prosperous in every field of your life, and apart from that you will be even more creative, and you are healing for your highest good. So good luck, group number 1, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello group number 2. So all those who chose this green color button or the magnet, here's your reading for the upcoming week. So we will be doing your general reading through the tarot deck, and then we'll also see how your love life, career and health will be, followed by the crystal message for the week. So let's start. All the best, guys. From the tarot deck, I have the 2 of Swords, the 4 of Swords, and then the 8 of Cups. Okay, I'm getting this message that you people are under a lot of stress and you are unable to take any decisions right now, and you need to take a step back and relax your mind. Do not walk away from any situations. Do not suppress your feelings, because I see that your dreams are trying to communicate to you, and do listen to them and try to work on your inner self. Okay, feel you may even look at pile number 1, because the messages are a little bit resonating. So let's move on to your love card. I have the meditation brings answers. So your answer is here. That is, you need to meditate. You can ask help from the universe, God, goddess, whomever you feel connected to. Do ask help to solve your problems, and you do not have to struggle alone. If in case you feel difficulty in communicating to people, then ask help from angels and the divine universe, because they are always there to help you. And I have also put up a video in my other YouTube channel, The Mystical Dreamer, guided meditation, so you can listen to it and you can take some time for yourself and meditate. So let's move on. From your career, regarding your career, I have the giving and receiving. So the card says the entire universe operates in a cycle similar to your inhalations and exhalations. When you only exhale or give, or only inhale, receive, you become out of rhythm with the universe. For optimal health, energy, and replenishment, balance each inhalation in your life with an exhalation. So the message is clear that there needs to be always an equal give and take. Do not overdo anything, because overdoing anything will create an imbalance in your life. In case your money is stuck somewhere, ask back the money, or else if you're rendering some service or giving some service or doing a business, learn to ask back the money for your services and vice versa. And always respect your time and space, and spend time for yourself. I think that is the reason you are in this dilemma. Don't keep doing things for others. Sometimes you need to be selfish as well. Being selfish does not mean that you're being mean. It means that you respect yourself more. Okay, so let's move to your health card. So from the Archangel Raphael card, a health card, I have laughter is the best medicine. So by laughing, spending time with loved ones, speaking your thoughts, there is no doubt that you're freeing yourself from any kind of cage, and you're giving wings to your dreams. So when you're happy within yourself, your health will automatically improve. Yeah, so learn to be happy. And it's not learn, like, you have to remember how to be happy. Remind yourself how you were happy before. So let's see what is the crystal message for you all. Group number 2. Okay, so the crystal message from the crystal deck, I have the labradorite crystal. So the crystal message says that your fears within yourself are creating the blockage, and so the crystal is saying that everything will end soon. The situation you're in right now will end soon, and you will be in harmony with yourself and with others. That's a good news, right? So try to stay happy so that even your health is not affected. All the best, group number 2, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hello, group number 3. So all those who chose this beautiful red button or the red magnet, here's your reading. I'll place the magnet here. So we'll start with the tarot deck, then we will see how your love life, your career, health will be for the upcoming week, and also see what the crystal message is for your the upcoming week. So from the tarot deck, I have the 7 of Pentacles, then I have the 7 of Swords, and I have the Ace of Swords. Okay, for you guys, I feel that the message that I'm getting from this card is that you have the blessings and guidance of Archangel Michael, and he's working on your throat chakra as well. And maybe because some of you all are having issues in communicating or expressing your feelings, don't worry, Archangel Michael is there for you and he is protecting you. And I feel like some of you all might meet an investment officer in the coming week, or might be doing a lot of bank work in this week. Just try to be careful when you're doing your bank work or when you're signing any kind of documents. Read all the terms and conditions carefully, just don't blindly sign. Also, I see new opportunities coming your way, and there will be clarity in your thoughts, but yeah, you just need to be a little cautious when investing and double check everything. In case you find like there is a slightest of hesitation in your mind, double check clearly and then you may proceed. Okay, let's move to your love card. So I have communicate clearly. Okay, so this card is telling me that you need to speak or listen to each other, your partner or anyone. In that case, do listen, or even you need to speak out your feelings to each other, and don't assume that without speaking or without communication, don't assume that the opposite party will understand everything. Any misunderstanding that is there will be cleared by way of communication. So you need to open up. So Archangel Michael is with you. Ask help from Archangel Michael and everything will sort out on communication. Let's move to your career card. I have the entrepreneur. So people who are planning for any business, you may definitely go ahead, as angels are with you and you have double guidance now. That even here we had a guidance. So regarding your business, you are being guided, but just be a little cautious while doing this document checks and everything. Rest everything is cool. Okay, now let's move to your health card. We have exercise is key. Okay, so in the coming week you will be motivated to exercise and you will have all the energy needed to exercise. You won't be lethargic. Instead, I feel that you will be focusing on a healthy living from now on. And finally, the crystal message for the week, which is amber. So this crystal message is saying that you need to express your feelings, stay calm, and your creativity will boost up this week. Even this color red is a color of passion. So everything is in your hands and you can definitely go ahead. All the best, Group 3, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.